If you look at the AWS statistics, there's actually quite a few welders out there in the United States. What we do have a lack of is incredibly qualified, incredibly experienced welders that can meet specs every single time. That's where there is a bit of a misnomer and a lack of welders. It's not the lack of welders, it's just the lack of experience and qualified welders to be able to do, say, X-ray quality welds. This machine solves that by having direct control over virtually every parameter. You're able to dial in the welds as you would on any automated equipment. It's a tabletop configuration of what you would do with a manual torch if you were welding it. And you have the ability to control the speed, the rotation, the amperage, virtually anything that you can possibly think of. You have direct mechanical or electrical control over that parameter. Whereas if you're doing it manually, even the best of welders that are on the market, they can't do the same weld at number 1 and number 10,000.